Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can format your SD card in GoPro. So let's get straight into it. Now what you're going to do is swipe down and then swipe left to get to the performances, just like here. Click on it and then scroll down here to the reset option at the bottom. I hope you see it well. Reset, click on it, and then you will see the first one here, format SD card. If you click on that, you will see some information. So how can I show you this? It's so weird. Okay, like that. You see now format SD card, delete all files and reformat your SD card. So if you are considering that, then click format and formatting will happen in the camera. You will just need to wait a little bit and that's it. Now you have successfully format your SD card. That means that you don't have no media in your SD card. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.